Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in edit mode. Press Tab and switch to Vertex Select or press 1 so you target points, not edges or faces. Once done, use box B or circle C selection to grab clusters quickly and hold Shift to add or subtract vertices. Make sure X-ray or limit selection to visible is toggled when you need hidden vertices. This prevents missing points and speeds the process. You're focused on precise selection before any deletion. Now remove or combine vertices depending on the goal. Press X or delete and pick vertices to clear them outright. This permanently removes connected edges and faces. Alternatively, press M and choose at center or at cursor to merge nearby points. Use by distance to collapse duplicates and clean topology. If you need to keep surrounding faces, choose dissolve vertices instead. It removes the point but preserves the surface. Make sure to inspect normals and UVs after any topological change. To finish, inspect the mesh and recalculate normals with Shift+N if shading goes odd. This often fixes dark faces. Once happy, exit edit mode with Tab and test deformations or modifiers. Make sure vertex groups, shape keys, and modifiers align with your edits. If something breaks, undo with Ctrl+Z, isolate the area in local view, or step backward through history to find when it happened. One key troubleshooting tip. If vertices reappear after applying a modifier, check modifier order and reapply only after cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.